Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's tap on this toggle Nothing OS with this photo and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. You will have to also confirm it with your screen lock if you've got one. Then we can go back to this general list of the settings and tap on System. Here we have to tap on Developer Options and now scroll down a little bit to find the option Automatic System Updates. In my case it is turned on, however if you've got it turned off, just tap on the switcher and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted and of course whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.